Hey there, you heart-centered CEO. I know you're busy and you have a lot going on, but I want to ask you something. When was the last time that you felt truly organized and on top of your game in your business? If you're like most entrepreneurs, it's probably been a while, and we need to change that. And that's why I created this 5-day spring cleaning audio challenge to help you declutter your workspace, clean up your digital files, optimize your processes, evaluate your marketing strategy, and plan for the future. And this challenge is specifically designed for online entrepreneurs like you who want to get their business ready for growth. I know it can be hard to find time for things like this, but trust me, it is well worth it. As someone who's been there, I know how easy it is to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of running a business, but the truth is, being busy doesn't necessarily mean that you're being productive or successful. That's why it's so important to take intentional steps to improve your business and your life. And this challenge is the perfect opportunity for you to start doing that. So again, we're going to talk about decluttering your workspace so that you have a more productive environment, cleaning up your digital files and protecting important data, reviewing and optimizing your business processes and evaluate your marketing strategies so that you can better target your audience and plan for sustainable growth in your business. Now, when you complete this challenge, you're going to have a business that's organized, efficient, and ready for success. And the best part, you get a 2-week free trial to the Mighty Society membership, which is where this challenge is taking place. And that is a private and supportive community of purpose-driven women like you who are committed to growing their businesses and making a difference in the world. And it's not on Facebook, so you won't have any distraction, but it's hosted on the Heartbeat app, which means everything is in one place for you to access with ease. Now, as a member of that community, you'll get access to support from me and the other members. You'll have access to bite-sized lessons and done-for-you templates that will help you improve your technical skills and up-level your client experience. And it's going to shorten the learning curve, save you time, and help you reach your goals faster. Plus, you'll be able to connect with other members of the community and share your progress. Imagine the energy and excitement that comes from being part of a supportive group of like-minded individuals who are working towards the same goal. So take advantage of this opportunity and get ready to take your business to the next level. Sign up for the Spring Cleaning Challenge. Start creating the sustainable and fulfilling business that you've always dreamed of. But mark your calendars because we get started on Monday, April 10th. Remember, success is about working smarter, not harder. So let's do this together. Get yourself on the wait list now and let's get started on this digital spring cleaning journey together.